I want to give you some information that will help you as you work on your Access Chapter 1 homework. There are 2 lab activities, and the first one starts on page AC60. It is Lab 1, Creating Objects for the Garden Naturally database. So in Blackboard, under Access Chapter 1 on your Assignments tab, I have given you a couple files. One is called the Garden Naturally database, and the other one is a customer file. You need to open and save both of those. And then if you would open up the Garden Naturally database, you'll see that it has a small table inside of it. So the sales rep table is partially started for you, and they're going to ask you to go to Design View, and then you'll edit and kind of fix this up and then save it. And then you'll go to Design View, and you'll enter in the 4 records that are on page 61. Now the next step is the new step that's in step 5, and they tell you to import. Well, you read about importing in the chapter, but we never did it in the practice project for Pratt last. I had you type in all those records just so you can get the feel for how creating a database really works. So in this chapter, we're going to show you how to import. So we're going to go to external data, and let's say we have some names and addresses and some information already typed in Excel. I can import that. So we're going to import it, and it happens to be created in Excel already. And then I'll hit Browse, and wherever you just saved that customer file, we'll go get that customer database. I'm importing it, and I'll OK and just kind of work the wizard here. This is all the data I'm bringing over. Looks good. Hit Next. Check mark. We want the first row to contain headings. That's very important. You want customer number, name, address. You want those to be fields. Those are headings. I don't want those to just be somewhere randomly as a record. So first row contains headings. Important that you check mark that. We'll hit Next. You want to choose your own primary key, and it should be the customer number. And Next. And then you can call it your customer table with your name here at the very end. And close. And then your customer table is over here in the navigation pane, and that is how easy it is to import something from Excel. So you'll create one of the small tables, import the big table, and you're going to make a query and a report. And then you're going to do the same thing for the museum gift shop, except for the museum gift shop, you are creating a database from scratch, and you're importing both tables. So you do not have to type in any records for Lab 2, and that starts on page 63. So you'll have a couple tables, a query, and a report. And anytime they talk to you about creating a form, we are not working with forms in this chapter, so you can delete that. So a little bit of information, and I hope this helps you as you try to import some data for your homework. Good luck with that.